Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Gloria Cortez, 33 years old. I'm a married. I have two kids, one boy and one girl, 14 years old and 1 year and 3 months. I worked in Qatar for 2 years and 3 months. My main duty is to take care a newborn baby, washing clothes, cleaning in the house, and ironing. Also, I worked in Saudi for 2 years. My main duties and responsibilities are all around, like cleaning in the house, washing, and ironing. I do cooking like biryani, magluba, chicken kabsa, chicken salona. I am hardworking, honest, and I love kids are my own child. Always keep them safe. If, if you choose me, Ma'am and Sir, I will do my best to serve you, your family. Thank you so much, Ma'am and Sir.